and today I will show you how to make animation art in Scratch. For that we have to open Google Chrome. After opening we will type the URL scratch.mit.edu. I will provide the link in the description box. After opening it, you have to sign in your account and we will click on create. It's opening. So this is our screen. Then we will go to choose a sprite and type the pencil. A pencil is come. Then we will delete the slide and go to the and select a backdrop. So I am selecting the star one. So the x-axis of the pencil is 0 degree and y also is 0 degree. Then we will go to extensions and add the pen one. Main choose, you have to also title it as animation art. Animation art. Then we will go to events block and add when green flag click. Let me zoom it so you can see it. Yes, I hope you can see it. Then we'll go to pen down, pen block and select the pen down. Then we will go to motions and add move 10 steps and then turn right by 15 degree. Add one more 0 and here we will do it as 120 degree. So then we will go to control block and add the repeat loop. Yes, the repeat loop will be the 3 times, will be for 3 times. Then we will go to again to pen and add change pen color by 10. I am using the number 25. If you want to add another number, you can add. Then we will go to again on motion and add turn right by 14 degree. Yes, 4 degree and then turn right by 14 degree. Yes, 4 degree and then we will again move to control and add repeat blocks before the repeat. Yes, which is for 90 degree, 90 times. The whole process will be repeated by 90 times. Then we will go to motions and go to X, 0 and this. Then we will maximize our screen and see the output. If you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye. See you in the next video.